Hello everybody, it's again Daniele from Italy here. This is my second video, and today I have received a sample pack from Mr. Robert of 2D6 Wargaming. He was so nice to send me this sample miniatures from his range totally free. So thank you 2D6 Wargaming, and we're going to open and to watch the content. I have opened it, the pack, but I wait to watch with you. So Robert put in the pack miniatures from his Dark Ages range. So yeah, we're going to watch these sample strips. Okay, now we open. Sorry, just a moment. And we are going to watch these miniatures. Okay, what can I see as first impact? That this miniature are smaller than Bacchus miniatures ones. I have miniatures in a 6 millimeters scale from Bacchus and from Adler, and these miniatures from 2D6 Wargaming seems smaller. And here we have strips of Bacchus, so we can compare it. Effectively, they are smaller, and I think they are smaller in such a ways that it's not possible to mix it. Okay, I have miniatures from Bacchus and from Adler only from their silver range, so I don't know if Bacchus Dark Ages range is similar as dimension, but I can imagine it's always the same dimensions, also in the other ranges than a sieve. Okay, so now it's time to give a look from a nearest point of view to these miniatures. And what I can really see is that despite their dimension, they are really detailed. These are stripes of Anglo-Saxons and Vikings, so infantry armed with spears. I think you can see in the video the details are really good. And what I really like is that each stripes has 4 different positions. So archers, this should be Vikings berserkers. As you see, they are really beautiful miniatures, and I like the animation too. Infantry with sword. Okay, other infantry with takes and sword. Another story of archers. Okay. And the last one, oh sorry, I don't find the right focus. Okay, again infantry with spears. So what we have here, 7 steps of really nicely detailed miniatures and really nicely animated miniatures. The cost, it's not, it's they are cheap miniatures if you go to their site. So if you like 6mm miniature, you can really consider them if you want to create your armies. In this moment, 2d6 Wargaming has range for Second World War. They have Russian, Germans, Commonwealth, and I think they are developing new miniatures. They have a range of Feudal Japan, and for this range they have also a set of rules of their own production, and they have this range for Dark Ages, and they sell with their miniatures also the buildings, and they also have generical scenic item for your wargaming. Okay, a better look of these miniatures. I'm really satisfied about the product. So maybe in the future I will be looking also to the miniatures if I will decide to start a Dark Age period. Okay, hello everybody, and enjoy your miniatures, enjoy your hobby, and I hope to see you again for future videos. And I will post some pictures or some video of this miniature painted as soon as I will have painted it. Okay, hello everybody from Daniele, Italy.